George's equation is the same as Frank's, except there's a negative sign, so that has a reflection. I don't even know the details. I'm just going to write reflection so far. Okay, how about this one? No negative sign. How about that one?
Number 7.
Yes, number 7 has some type of reflection. Number 6 has some type of reflection.
9.
And number 9, you're correct. Now listen, guys, sometimes that's all they're going to ask you. And if you know that much, you'll get those right, okay? Now we can go a little more detailed and look at our chart. Because if you notice, number 3, the negative is on the outside. Number 6, it's on the outside. So what type of reflection is that? X-axis. So reflection across X-axis for both of these. There you go. Both of those are reflections across X-axis, which means the ones that are in the parentheses are reflections across the Y-axis. Okay, it doesn't mean we're necessarily done with all these 4. There's some other numbers in there, but we'll deal with that in a minute. Take a look at all these again. Now we've done with reflections. Let's look for Actually, there's no translations, are there? There's no adding or subtracting a number on any of these. We did plenty of practice with those, though, so I think we're okay. There's no plus or minus a number. So that means the rest of them are rotations. So let's take a look at this. Does this have a rotation involved besides the reflection? Is there another number in there? No. We're done with that one. Does this one have another number in there? It does. Since it's inside the parentheses, what kind of rotation is it? Rotation about the Y-axis. We good? Oh, not Y-axis though. Sorry, the Y-intercept. Remember, rotations are when you're nailing it into the wall, onto the graph, and it starts spinning about that point. So rotation about the Y-intercept. Are there any others that have a number inside the parentheses? 10. Look at that. Rotation.
That's 8.
Oh, well that one's inside parentheses too. About Y-intercept. Which other one? 10. Rotation about Y-intercept. Okay, we can go further though. Are they getting steeper or flatter? It's bigger than 1. It's bigger than what it was, right? It was 1 and now it's 2. Steeper. This one is a 0.5. It got smaller. This one is flatter. This one's bigger than 1, right? Bigger than what it was. It's steeper. Okay, are we done? No, we have some numbers that are outside parentheses. So these will be rotations about the X-intercept. And that's going to get steeper because it's a bigger number. The number that was there before was 1. Actually, you know what? Yes. Okay. And then what else? This one has a 0.6 in front. Rotation about X-axis. Since it's a fraction, it's going to make it flatter. What else? This one has we already took care of the negative. Remember, we already did the reflection. The 0.3 is reflection about which one? I mean, not reflection. A rotation about the Y-intercept. Yes. Rotation. How to say Y-int. And it's going to make it flatter because it's a fraction number. And what else? I think that's all. Oh, this one. That -2, we already did the negative, the 2, rotation about x. And that makes it steeper. Okay? It's a lot of little details, but that's why we gave you a paper full of details. Okay? So, we're going to do some practice. Miss Odom's going to pass out a paper.